Good afternoon to everyone. I, Akash Srivastava, the faculty of the management department, going to tell you about the marketing management, and it's a very interesting subject for the management student. How marketing plays a very vital role. There are ample number of the authors who have given the definition about the marketing management. I have chosen among them Dr. Philip Kotler. What is the management? So before that, you must know there is some product pick which I have chosen. So do you know? I think without introduction, any product cannot give the demonstration about themselves. So, who is the Philip Kotler? Facts about Philip Kotler, the father of modern marketing. Born in Chicago in 1931, he is a marketing, economics, writing, mathematics, and lecture specialist. Since 1988, he has been the international marketing chairholder at Northwestern University, one of the main business study centers in the world. He has written more than 55 marketing books, the principle of marketing being among them. He wrote so many books about the marketing management, and so many industries are following the tips of the Philip Kotler. Again, what is the marketing? Positioning is making your target audience know in which way you differ from your. The Kotler had spoken. What is a marketing 1.0? So there is some tips which is given by the Kotler for the organization, and organization is following these all. Again, Kotler told about what is exactly marketing. So Dr. Philip Kotler defines marketing as the science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. Marketing identifies unfulfilled need and desire. It defines, measures, and quantifies the size of the identified market and the profit potential. Definitely, if I talk about the any organization, so first of all, what is the motive to satisfy the target audience and ultimately earn the profit for the organization? Dr. Kotler had just given the tips that how you can grab the market. So for grabbing the market, you must to focus on the satisfaction level of the customer, what the customer wants. Again, in the next slide, what is a market? A market consists of all the potential customers sharing a particular need or want who might be willing and able to engage in exchange to satisfy that need or want. Again, what is the market? Market is a place where so many customers want the product that can be satisfied their need and wants. If I talk about the India market, so there are so many customers who want the electrical parts in a cheap price, and they always try to import the product from the China. So India is the very potential market for the Chinese company, as well as so many companies are just seeing the India market for the Indian customer, and they want to satisfy to the Indian customer. So this is a very general thought about the customer of the India. Again, the overall themes of marketing, the traditional marketing mix. There is some fundamental aspect. You can say it's the piece of the marketing, the product, price, promotion, place. If I talk about the product, what is the product? Product may be anything. If I talk about the automobile sector and you as a customer wants to be satisfied, so if I talk about the automobile sector, so take the example of the Maruti Suzuki. There is a number of the models of the Maruti Suzuki company is launching year by year. That is the product. The price already depend upon the size of the market and depend upon the customer to whom wants to company target. The promotion, there is the promotional tools like advertisement, sales promotion. These are the tools by promoting the product. and the place. Again, the place plays very vital role where the company is launching their product and introducing about their product. Because without knowing the place, company cannot launch the product because company must to know about the product price, promotion place, and place potential. Again, the next slide will study about the, as far as customers are concerned, there are three elements to address. It's very important, the customer value. Difference between the values that the customer gains from owning and using a product versus the cost of obtaining the product. Always company needs to care about the customer values if your company wants to be grow in the future. Customer satisfaction, the extent to which a product perceives performance in delivering value matched a buyer expectation. It played a very vital role. If buyer wants the product from the market, if I talk about the telecom sector, the Jio and Airtel is the company who always wants to satisfy the customer, and while Airtel had just made a policy for the customer. If you will make a complaint, so complaint will be resolved as soon as earlier. This is the satisfaction level which company wants to get and wants to satisfy to the customer. The quality, the characteristics of a product or the service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied customer needs. Definitely, if company is launching any product, so before that company must to be assured that the product is qualitative or not. If product will not having a great quality, so company cannot compete with their competitor. There may be arise so many problems in front of the company. Again, marketing management philosophies agrees or disagrees. There are some philosophies, and you may be agree or you may not be agree, depend upon the customer psychology. If I talk about the production, consumers will favor products that are available and highly affordable. It depends upon the production process and again the satisfaction level of the consumer. Product. Consumers favor products that offer the most in quality, performance, and innovative features. If I take the example of the product life cycle, then the age of the saturation, if company is not modifying in the product, then product cannot sustain for the longer. So company needs to maintain the quality and always try to give the better performance to the customer and need the add innovations in their product. Again, selling consumers will not buy unless an organization undertakes a large scale selling and promotional efforts. Maximum companies are giving the offer to the customer promotional benefits. Company needs to identify the best sales team who can just promote the product in between the customer and wants to satisfy to the customer. Marketing, determining the needs and wants of target market and delivering the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than the competitors. Definitely, in the market, there are n number of the products and there are so many consumers. So how a company can perform well in between the customer? If company will provide the better satisfaction level to the customer. You can take the example of the Maruti Suzuki and the Honda. If I talk about the mileage, Maruti Suzuki always hammering on these points in front of the customer that Maruti will be better for the middle class family and satisfying to them. Societal marketing, generating customer satisfaction and long-run societal well-being are the keys to both achieving the company's goals and fulfilling its responsibility. Always companies know their responsibility and try to know about the well-known customer, how they can satisfy to them and make the better relationship. It's the company goal to fulfill the ultimately desire the customer. Again, in the next slide, we'll study about the relationship. Relationship market, the process of creating, maintaining, and enhancing a strong value-led relationship with customers and other stakeholders. It plays a very vital role in relationship marketing. As a company needs to maintain the relationship with the buyer. If there will be some problem with the buyer, company cannot sustain for the long term. So company always try to maintain the better relationship with the buyer. Again, in the next slide, marketing management practice essentially two types: entrepreneurial marketing and formulated marketing. If I talk about the entrepreneurial marketing, business is started by individuals. Creativity, drive, and perseverance are key to success. Entrepreneurial marketing includes always dare. If there are so companies are working in the society and they are promoting their business in front of the audience, so they need to maintain the quality and they need to maintain the creativity in their product. Then they can be success in the society. Formulated marketing, it's an old kind of the perception about professional disciplined approach achieving a market orientation. They are the some or traditional methodology for the marketing management they have adapted in the formatted marketing. Again, in the case of the orientation towards marketing, production concept, selling concept, marketing concept. In the case of the production concept, before 1930, demand and supply, most of the company were thinking about the demand and supply. Again, in the case of the selling concept, 1930 to 1950, supply and demand. Again, marketing concept, post 1960s, analyze consumer needs before producing and selling, market orientation, competition. Then after, marketing concept versus selling concepts. Starting point, focus, means, and end. In the case of the marketing concepts, the market, customer needs, integrated marketing, profit from satisfied customer. If I talk about the market, so now in the India, most of the middle class families are facing the problem for the petrol and diesel consumption. Meanwhile, the Bajaj company is planning to launch the electric scooter in the India. So market is the India market and customer need is the electric scooter and bikes. Integrated marketing, the combination of the new technology and just preparing plan for the future. Profits from satisfied customer. Again, it's very important. If customers are being satisfied, definitely will get the positive feedback to the company. The selling concept, the factory, product, sale, and promote it profit through sales volume. In the case of the selling concept, depend upon the volume of the sales. If sales volume will be increasing, so definitely company will get the maximum profit from the market. So company always try to focus on the increase the sales volume. Again, the marketing management. Earlier we have discussed what is the marketing management. So marketing management is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organized goals. The Philip Kotler has given the definition about what is the marketing management. Marketing management has the task of influencing the level, timing, and composition of demand in a way that will help the organization achieve its objective. Definitely, organization will have a great objective and want to achieve the objective. For that, try to focus with their subordinate and their employees, how the employees will put their efficiency to get the goal. In the case of the marketing research and marketing strategy. What is the marketing research and strategy? So the marketing strategy and research means identifies the basic problems of the market, that how a product is perform, and if not performing well, so what is the problem, and will make the strategy for the betterment. There is some problem in the case of the marketing. It's a common problem of the marketing. How can we identify and choose profitable market segment? Depend upon the customer. If we talk about the Chennai and talk about the Uttarakhand, so there is the different kind of the people and perception they are having, and they will get according to their demand. Again, how can differentiate our offer from our competition? Definitely, if competition will be increased, so we can differentiate between the offer and try to provide the better offer to the customer, because of if offer will not play the voucher rule, so company cannot get the maximum profit from the market. How should we react to competitors? It's very important. If a competitor are growing day by day, so as a company, you need to focus on your goal and the quality of the product, if not performing in the market. How can we satisfy our customers and build brand loyalty? After sales service will play the vital role. If you want to satisfy to the customer and want to keep the brand loyalty, the customer on your product. How can we measure the effectiveness of an ad campaign, a public relation, of a promotion, etc.? It's a very important campaigning and public relationship. Company always focus on the campaigning and try to build it and make the healthy relationship with the customer. Now it's over. Enough for the today, and definitely we'll meet you again in the next lecture. Thank you very much.